In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to local files in ClickUp. If you want to make files from your computer available inside a ClickUp task, the process is simple and only takes a moment. This is useful when you want teammates to access a document, image, spreadsheet, or other file directly from the task, so everything stays organized in one place. To begin, open the ClickUp task where you want to add the local file. Make sure you're in the correct task before uploading anything, especially if you're working across multiple projects or lists. Adding the file to the right task will make it easier for everyone to find later. Once you're inside the task, look for the Attachments section. This is the area where files connected to the task are stored. Depending on your layout, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Take a second to confirm you're in the Attachments area so the file gets added in the right place. Next, click Upload. This tells ClickUp that you want to bring in a file from your computer. After you click it, a file browser window will open, allowing you to search through your device for the file you want to add. If you already know where the file is saved, this part will go much faster. Now choose the local file from your computer. Navigate to the correct folder, click on the file you want, and then click Open. This sends the file to ClickUp and begins the upload. If the file is large, give it a little time to finish. It's a good idea to wait until the upload completes before closing the task or moving to something else. After the upload is done, the file will appear in the task's Attachments section. At that point, permitted users will be able to access it from the task. This helps keep relevant materials connected to the work itself, which can improve collaboration and reduce the need to search through emails or local folders later. One helpful tip is to double check that you selected the correct file before uploading, especially if there are multiple versions with similar names. Keeping file names clear and consistent can also make things easier for your team. And that's all it takes to link a local file in ClickUp by uploading it directly to a task. Thanks for watching.